everyone, this is Mike's Moto, and for today, we are going to test the new NWOW ERVS4. This test is called the Load Capacity Challenge, where we will see how well the ERVS4 handles different weight loads.
Sa challenge na ito, we will gradually add passengers para matest ang maximum load capacity at paano siya mag-perform under different weight conditions.
Sa unang test, subukan natin ang isang passenger. Ready na ba kayo? Alright, ngayong nasa S4 na ang passenger at driver with a total weight of 114 kilograms, stable pa rin ang unit.
Sa isang passenger, the weight is within the ERVS4's designed limit, kaya wala masyadong pagbabago sa base nito.
Now, try natin magdagdag ng isa pang pasahero. Now, the total weight of the unit is around 204 kilograms and the vehicle looks steady and at the same time mukha namang komportable kayo dyan, no?
Kayang-kaya pa rin ng ERVS4 and stable pa rin ang base nito.
Ngayon, ini-level up pa natin ang challenge na to kasi magdadagdag pa tayo ng isa pang pasahero. The total weight of the S4 now would be 254 kilos and this is close to the daily maximum.
Even near its maximum load, the ERVS4 performs well sa challenge. Mapapansin ng kaunting pagbabago pero kaya pa rin i-handle ng ating bagong unit.
Akala nyo tapos na? Hindi pa dahil magdadagdag pa tayo ng isa pang pasahero. With a total weight of 309 kilograms, makikita natin na kayang-kaya pa rin ni ERVS4 kahit 5 tao na ang nakasakay.
Kaya ng ating ERVS4 ang extra weight, pero ang heavy loads for long term may affect the vehicle's durability. At para mas tumagal pa ang unit, it's best to stay sa recommended weight limit nito na 300 kilograms.
Today's test was a great success. The ERVS4 performed well even at the maximum load, showing a stable and reliable structure. Just remember to stay at the recommended weight for a safe experience. Stay tuned sa mga next na challenges. Hanggang sa muli, see you mga